picnic in the backyard. Today, my family had a picnic in our backyard. We spread out a big blanket on the grass and packed delicious food. I helped my mom make sandwiches with peanut butter and jelly. My dad brought some fresh fruit, like apples and grapes. We even had cookies for dessert. The sun was shining and the birds were singing. We laughed and played games like tag and hide and seek. I loved running around and feeling the soft grass under my feet. After eating, we lay on the blanket and watched the clouds float by. I imagined they were animals, like elephants and fluffy bunnies. It was relaxing and fun. We talked about our favorite things and shared stories. Picnics are special because they bring our family together. I can't wait to have another picnic soon.